If you're a new UGC creator or even just curious about how to get started, I'm going to save you from the 3 biggest mistakes that are stopping new creators from getting paid. These are the exact mistakes I made when I started, and I've seen them kill confidence, delay deals, and cost creators thousands of dollars. But today, I'm not just going to list them. I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead, so you can start landing UGC deals faster. And if you want my step-by-step roadmap to land your first $500 UGC deal in just 14 days, I created a free game plan that's helped hundreds already. It's linked below in the description. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1 is pitching like everyone else. Here's what most beginners do, and maybe you've done this too. They write, "Hi, I'm a UGC creator. I love your brand. Here's my portfolio. Let me know if you're interested." I call this the "please hire me" pitch, and brands ignore it instantly. Why? Because there's no value in that message. There's no hook and zero reason for the brand to care. You have to understand, brands are busy. They're flooded with generic messages like this every single day. So what works instead? You lead with insight and initiative. Here's the kind of pitch I teach in my free 14-day game plan. Hey, brand name, I noticed your last few TikTok ads are using influencer content, but I think a UGC testimonial could really improve engagement. I shot a quick 15-second example. Take a look, it's attached. Now you're not asking for work, you're offering a solution. That's how you stand out, and that's how you land deals without begging. Mistake number 2, trying to be a professional creator. New creators think they need the perfect camera, fancy lighting, cinematic transitions, and while your intentions are good, you're actually making your content worse. Here's what brands want: content that feels real and relatable. They want content that performs, not content that looks like a Nike commercial. So if you're overthinking the setup, take this in. You don't need studio lighting. Use natural window lighting. You don't need a DSLR. Your iPhone is more than enough. And you don't need to memorize lines. Read off a teleprompter or script just like this. In fact, one of my best performing UGC ads was shot in one take in my kitchen with no editing. It got me a $2,000 deal and a retainer client. So don't obsess over perfection, focus on clarity, authenticity, and emotion. That's what converts. Mistake number 3, and probably the biggest of them all, is waiting until you're ready. This is the silent killer. And if you've been saying things like, "I just need to practice more, I don't know if I'm good enough, I'll pitch once my portfolio is better," then this one is for you. The truth is, you're not lacking skills, you're stuck in perfectionism. And I totally get it. I stayed in that mindset for weeks when I first started out. But here's the secret every successful creator learns. You build confidence by doing. Your first pitch will be awkward. Your first video might suck, and your first brand might ghost you. Those first reps are the only way to get better and start getting paid. The only reason I landed my first $500 deal and later $2,000 deals is because I started before I felt ready. And if you want help taking the first step, that's exactly why I built the 14-day game plan. It walks you through exactly what to do day by day, even if you have zero experience. Links below, and seriously, don't overthink it. Let's recap the 3 mistakes new UGC creators must avoid. Number 1, don't pitch like everyone else. Lead with insight, offer value, send custom video samples, not just a link to your portfolio. Number 2, don't try to be perfect. Brands want real, they want relatable content, not polished ads. And number 3, don't wait until you're ready. You learn by doing, so start messy and start now. If you avoid these 3 mistakes, you'll be miles ahead of most new creators, including myself when I first started out. And if you want to take the guesswork out of your first UGC pitch, project, and deal, grab the 14-day game plan to $500 UGC deals. It's totally free, and it's helped hundreds of new creators already. Drop "no more mistakes" in the comments if you grab it. I'll personally reply with a bonus tip. Thanks for watching. Let's get you booked and paid.